Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is fine at your place. Today we are going to start the poem. Before beginning the poem, let's see the picture. Can you identify the picture? Which animal is this? This is the dinosaur. How is the dinosaur? Very large, so huge, so big. So children, can you identify the name of the poem? Can you guess the name of the poem? The name of the poem is So Big. This poem is written by Max Fatchen. Let's see the introduction about the poet. He was an Australian journalist and he wrote so many books for children. Now let's read out the poem. So Big. The dinosaur, an ancient beast, I am told was very large. His eyes were as big as tennis balls. His stomach was bigger than a garage. He had the biggest humping back, a neck as long as Friday. I'm glad he lived so long ago and didn't live in my day. By Max Fatchen. Now let's see the explanation of the poem. Here, the poet is saying that the dinosaur is an ancient beast. Ancient means very old. Beast means very large animal. The poet is saying that I was told when I was a child that dinosaur was a very old large animal. His eyes were as big as tennis balls. Here the poet is comparing his eyes with the tennis balls. The size of the tennis ball, the same size was of his eyes, was the size of the dinosaur's eyes. His stomach was bigger than a garage. Garage means a place where we used to park cars. A building to park cars. He was that much huge, like a garage. He had the biggest humping back. The biggest humping back means he had the curved back. A neck as long as Friday. What does it mean? Like in India, we mostly getting Sunday to enjoy and we eagerly waiting for Saturday because after Saturday we are going to enjoy Sunday. But in many other countries or foreign countries, they are enjoying Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday together as weekend. So that is why he is saying like we are waiting for Saturday, like from Monday to Saturday, it is looking very long. We are thinking that it is taking too much time in coming Saturday, then we can enjoy Sunday. Like in the same way, they are waiting for Friday. So that is why he is saying that his neck was as long as Friday. I'm glad he lived so long ago. The poet is saying that he is happy that this large animal, the dinosaur, lived so long ago. And he did not live in my days. Now we can live our life peacefully without the fear of the dinosaur. Thank you, students. Hope you all understood the poem. Read the poem carefully again at home. Thank you once again.